Hello everyone, I am back with the new video on the COVID-19 post-COVID diet and related to diabetes because the outcome and other complication from various particular pneumonia are more likely in people with diabetes, which is poorly controlled with high blood sugar level. Diabetes is often associated with the chronic conditions like obesity, hypertension, heart disease, and these later conditions all convey a high risk of COVID-19 infection. People with high blood sugar level have less than the normal blood flow, which make it difficult for body to harness the nutrient and natural defenses meant to protect the body against the several infection and promote the healing. Hence, it is very much important that we should take a good healthy diet so that the patient who are diabetic recover very fast. So we need to give more consideration on the diet during the post-COVID diet for the diabetic patient. Sometimes after the recovery of COVID-19, many patients which are having a diabetes, they face many symptoms like skin rashes, then inflammation and allergy symptoms, oxygen deprivation, black fungus like mucormycosis, which is very much in what you will say, the numbers are very much spreading. So we need to consider on our diet. It is important to eat healthy diet in time. If you are diabetic, it will help in your fast recovery. People often have experience fatigue, and to manage that one should indulge in a proper diet. Eat right with a healthy mind, healthy way, then you will recover very fast. Try to include more of good protein, high biological value protein, because protein help in maintaining your muscle mass, and you can include rajma, chana, pulses that are low on sugar. You can include milk and milk products, fat, meat, including chicken breast, egg, fish, curd, cottage cheese. These all are the good sources of protein. Try to add more and more fruits in your diet. Seasonal fruits you can add because they are rich in vitamin and mineral, and they are the good source to fight with the infection because they are having antioxidants. But because you are diabetic, you need to avoid the high sugar level fruits like banana, chiku, mango. These fruits need to be avoided. You can add high fiber food. You can add whole grains in your diet like ragi, bajra, jawar, because it will help in stabilizing your blood sugar level. As patient is in post-COVID recovery situation, so we should not force the patient to eat on a starting days of recovery because his or her body is very much weak. So in the starting days, the patient can start with the little amount of food, but with the 5 to 6 meal pattern, so that body can accept the food. As we came from after fighting the COVID situation, COVID condition, so it is required that 50% of calorie we should include in first 3 days, so that our body get habitual of those food groups, and metabolism will slowly come in its normal phase. Then on the 4th day, 75% calorie portion should be added. Then from 6th to 7th day, 100% calorie, but the meal pattern should be 5 to 7. If we see the meal pattern, in the morning, early morning, you can take a lukewarm water with honey and lemon juice. You can take almonds, raisins. In the breakfast, you go with the high fiber mixed grain dosa with chutney. You can have a oats with milk, that is fat-free milk, which is easy to digest. You can take chapati if you want, one chapati with one bowl of vegetable with a bowl of curd. In the mid-morning, you can have one whole fruit. Avoid juice because juice increase the sugar level, so try to avoid juice. You can take sprouts. It's on your wish, it's on your choice. Do not force yourself to eat. In the starting days it will take time, but slowly you will come in the normal situation. In the afternoon you can take the balanced food. The plate should be full of nutrient. There should be one bowl of vegetable, one bowl of dal, one few chapati, one or two chapati, as per your condition. Rice, if you want to take, you can take brown rice. Add brown rice in your plate. In the evening, have a green tea, or if you want, you can take sprout chaat. You can take fiber-rich biscuit. It should be sugarless. You can also take a sabudana vada, that is should not be deep fried, it should be shallow fried on a non-stick pan so that less oil is used, so it will be easy to digest. Dinner, try to take it early, around 7 p.m. so it will help you to digest the food. Then you can have a light dinner. If you want, you feel hungry, you can have a lukewarm milk with honey. You can add a lacadong turmeric in it, as it is good in curcumin. Healthy diet with a healthy mind, with a positivity, is the best way to recover very fast. So my aim is to give the right direction to all of you to recover very fast. Thank you.